It probably needs a bit of a break.
Well, I suppose, but it's not really how it works at the same time, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
There's probably hundreds.
Huh? Huh? Oh, John! I got your net, I got your net. Oh, I can't come. I can't, I've got a snag, bro, I can't move. Try and bring it over to me, Yeah, I'm recording. I can't move. I got it. Bring it over. I'm stuck in place. Bro, everything's like... No. Oh, fuck.
I need a small cod, come on. You ready?
Yeah, I'm here.
Get in. No.
Yes, come on. Let's go. Finally, So James just caught this nice cod down at the Broken Creek in Benalla. On a diver.
Yeah, on the Predator diver in the trolling Titan colour. Nice fish, only small but still a very nice fish. We'll take some photos and quickly get it back in the water. No, well, apparently there's like yellow belly, redfin, so we'll try it, but noisy. There we go.
Yeah. It's good noise though.
Yeah. No, we got one today. It was a lot of work though. There's so many like snags to get over. But
we're out all yesterday for 8 hours, didn't get anything. Just gone up the river, and then today we went down the river. We got up at 5 and started, went down the river and got a cod, so.
Yeah. It's worth it though. We're gonna go over there now, so good on you. Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So some of the lures I was using today, I got this one. It's a just from the Benalla bait and tackle shop. It's just a purple spinnerbait. I've had pretty good luck with this. It's one of my better lures. I use it pretty often. We did a bit of trolling for yellow belly and redfin. I was using just this little stunt jumper in trout colour. I find this one works pretty well sometimes. So if you can see that one. I'll see what else I was using. I got a couple other soft plastics I was using, or spinners I was using. I was using this budgie top water this morning. You saw that. I haven't had any hits on this one yet, but yeah, I like the action's good on it and everything. Yeah, that's pretty much all the lures I was using today, and yeah, it's alright day.